In this video, I'm going to upgrade my old artwork into more realistic and stylized version. Welcome back to Ben10 Special Edition. Almost 1 year ago, in this video, I turned this 4 arms drawing into this artwork. It was quite well. But today, I'm upgrading this artwork into more realistic and stylized version. Now, without wasting any time, let's get into the Photoshop. Starting with his eyes. I dragged in this crocodile eye image. I set its position, and using Liquify, I matched its shape. Then I faded it using Brush Tool. To match the color, I used the hue and saturation. I made the eye a bit darker and radish. Then I removed it from the eye, because we only want the eye socket to be red. Then I removed this line from his eye using Content Aware and added some shadows. Then I did the same thing with other eyes as well. To make his mouth, I dropped in this lion image and masked out his jaw. I matched its shape using Liquify. Then I faded it using Brush Tool. To make the lower part of his mouth, I duplicated this image and flipped it vertically. And I also matched its shape using Liquify. Then I faded it as well. To match its color with the face, I added radish color using hue and saturation. Then, using Brush Tool, I painted it to the outer side of mouth. I removed the shadows from his face and remade them. I dragged in this texture and put it on his face and painted it by decreasing the brush flow. To make highlights, I used a white solid color and using Blend If, I removed it from darken areas. Then, I softly painted the highlights using Brush Tool. I removed the shadows from his shirt and repainted them. And I also painted the highlights as well. I removed shadow from his hand and again repainted them. I dragged in the same texture which I used for the face. Then I softly painted the texture to his hand. I also painted the highlights. Then I did the same thing for the other hands as well. if you watched this video till here. Thank you. If you are enjoying this video, please leave like and subscribe. We are stuck on 450 subscribers. Help me to go ahead. I recreated the shadows on his neck and made some tweaks with the shirt. I added the same texture on his neck, and again added some highlights. I also recreated the shadows and highlights on his legs as well. I brought back this black strip and made some tweaks with it to make it realistic. I created the Omnitrix with some shapes and made it look realistic by adding some highlights and shadows. Didn't like and subscribe yet? Do it now. I also tried by making his shirt ripped off from some spots. I felt something lax in his face, so I added some more details to his face. I used this forehead image and blend it with his head. I also made some veins on his head, and also on his neck and hand. This would appear him more badass. I also made some thread stitches on the gloves just to add some more details. Everything is almost done. I'm gonna add some final touches and made the environment and background for it. That's it for today's video, not gonna lie. It took me a tedious amount of time and hard work to make this video for you guys. If you enjoyed and learned anything from this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It motivates me to make more content for you guys. And if you want to see your favorite alien in next episode, make sure to comment your favorite alien. I'll try to cover it in my next episode of this series. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.